So, hello guys. Let me do a quick breakdown on this 23 risk reward trade I took yesterday. Not yesterday, on Monday. So, okay, let's begin. On the 50-minute chart, as you can see, the price is extremely bearish, right? How does the price action look like? The price action is creating a huge impulse movement to the downside. And after that, we are levitating back to the supply zone that is created inside the impulse move, right? This is a pattern. As you can see, this is the whole pattern. It does over the time on the downside, huge impulse move, levitate back. Huge impulse move, levitate back. Huge impulse move. So, okay. On Monday, not on Monday, on 6th of October, we created a supply zone that broke through the 15-minute demand zone right here. We tapped into the 15-minute demand zone, rejected, then created this extreme supply zone, right? After that, we created a huge impulse move, as I said. And inside that impulse move, we created another 15-minute decisional supply zone. So we tapped the 15-minute decisional supply zone right here, but we couldn't create a new high. And that's when I said, I'm expecting the price to tap the 15-minute extreme zone. I even posted this in the common group. So we couldn't create a new low. Then we started to levitate back to the 15-minute extreme zone, right? We rejected on that zone, had the reaction, changed character on several places. And after the rejection and change of character, we created two fresh new supply zones. One is the extreme that changed the character, that caused the whole order flow. And one is the decisional that's just a decisional, right? So I took one trade on the decisional. I broke that down yesterday. And after that trade, after a decisional supply, couldn't take out the lows again. I was expecting the price to push up to the 50-minute supply, and I posted that too in the common group. So switch to the 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. So here's the 1 minute chart. We had the reaction on the 50-minute supply zone. We had the reaction on the decisional after the change of characters. Couldn't take the lows. And we tapped into the tapped into the 50-minute supply zone, extreme supply zone. So, okay. As you can see, after we failed to create a new low, we started to create a series of higher highs and higher lows. Right? This was the last structural high. This was the last structural low. And this structural low couldn't take out the high, right? Instead of taking out the high, it created liquidity. Let me just clear that. It created liquidity, double top. After the liquidity, it pulled back and created this. Let me just zoom real quick. Created this demand zone that caused the last recent structural high to be broken, right? This demand zone right here caused the break. Not this week. I'm not counting this week, but you can if you trade like that. But the real break happened right here, in my opinion. So after this demand tapped us into the 50-minute supply zone and took out all of this liquidity right here, we changed character. Sorry, not firstly, we tapped into this demand zone. We rejected and wick through. I talked about the wick throughs in the PDF, the updated PDF, right? So it wick through, rejected, couldn't break the high. So it confirms that it's a weak low. Because a weak low can't take out the high, right? It's a weak demand and a weak low. So after the rejections, it came back up once again to reject and created this supply zone. And this supply zone caused the change of character and created shitloads of inefficiency, right? there's inefficiency that needs to be filled. So the change of character is here. One change of character is here, and the other change of character is here. This demand zone is not a demand zone. This is a structural low. This is the structural low, but this isn't a demand zone. Why isn't it? Because if it will be a demand zone, it would have taken out the height, right? But it couldn't take out the high. What did it do? It just caused inefficiency, right? It caused inefficiency right here, but the price filled up that inefficiency, as you can see, with the change of character. So this zone is not a demand zone. The real demand zone is this one. And the real change of character happened on this line. This is the change of character. And after this, you know the rest. You know the rest. I use the equilibrium M3 again on the 50% of this candle. And the rest of it, sorry, I can't talk, I'm so tired. The rest is history, right? So that's the breakdown. I hope you liked it, and I hope it makes sense for you guys. So take care.